Hello everybody, welcome to today's class. Today we have a nice math problem. The question is x to the power of x or to the power of x equal to x. What is the possible value of x that will satisfy this equation? It's very simple. All we just need to do here is to divide both sides of the equation by what? X. So first let's take our solution without much introduction. So when we divide both sides by x, this is going to give us here our x. Everything we have here now is the exponent. So this is going to give us x to the power of x, then in bracket, then all over x here. This is equal to x all over x. This leaves the system, right? So we're now left with our x to the power of x or to the power of x. Let's put this in bracket, okay? All over our x is equal to 1. So what we do here is this. Here and here, the bases are the same. So since the bases are the same, so what we do, we can subtract the exponent. In other words, we have this to be 1. So we can rewrite this as our x r to the power of bracket s to the power of x, close bracket, minus 1 equal to 1. So what do we do here? If you look at this carefully, you discover that we can rewrite this as x to the power of 0. So if we have this, it will be our x to the power of bracket x to the power of x bracket minus 1. This is equal to x to the power of 0. So since the bases are the same, then we can equate the exponent also. So this will now give us here x to the power of x minus 1 equal to 0. To move this to this side, this gives us x to the power of x equal to positive 1. What we do here is easy. Let's ln both sides of the equation. If we do that, it's going to give us ln of x to the power of x equal to ln of 1. Let's put this in bracket. What is ln of 1? ln of 1 is just 0. So we apply the law of logarithm, move this to this side like this. So this will give us here x ln of x equal to 0. Applying the zero product rule, it says that this will now be equal to 0, or our ln of x is equal to 0. So the first answer, or the first root, is 0 from here. Okay. Now, this 0 as a result, is it extraneous? Because look at the question we'll have here now. Look at our original question. So we're going to have here 0 to the power of 0 to the power of 0. And we know that 0 to the power of 0 is undefined. So is this root here, which is our first root, is it accepted or is it acceptable? Drop it in the comment section if it is not acceptable. All right, so let's take the second case. So our case 2 is this. So we know that ln of x is equal to 0. How do we now get our x from here? We now rewrite this expression. We can introduce e. So we can write this as our e to the power of ln of x. Why? Because we want to eliminate this ln. So we also do same to this side, which is e to the power of 0. So what happened? This and this leaves, because this is to base e. So once this leaves, we are left with our x. X is equal to, what is e to the power of 0? It's 1. So we have this to be 1. So the second root to our exponential challenge or our algebra is 1. And if you put 1 into the original equation here, it will satisfy this original equation. Okay, so again, let's look at x1. Our x1, is it extraneous? If it is extraneous, drop it in the comment section. All right, so this marks the end of what we have for you for today.